How to remove account from Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To remove account from Messenger, first of all launch Messenger application. Log into your account and tap three line icon at top left corner. Tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Now scroll to the bottom of the screen and select switch account button. After that, you will land on this switch account section where you need to have variety of or multiple messenger account. So in order to remove your particular account from messenger, you simply need to tap and hold that account and swipe towards left, and here you will see the trash like icon. Simply tap on it and then tap on remove button. Now this will help you to remove this account from this Messenger from this device. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.